Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host. Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles and we are cooking in the kitchen this morning with Kristi Shive. She is one of the SNAP educators here in Warren County. Good morning, Kristi.
Good morning, Joanna.
Now, Kristi, you look like you are going to cook up something that's pretty healthy but looks pretty tasty.
Yes, that's right. You know, it's summertime, and in the summer, I crave cooler foods. I don't like a lot of hot foods. I like things that are going to be refreshing and not warm my whole body up. So today I'm going to make our Crunchy Chicken Hawaiian Wrap. That's from
sounds like summer.
It is. It's great. We've got some pineapple, we've got some fresh spinach, and it's just a really good light treat that's not going to leave you feeling too bloated.
Heavy.
Yeah,
absolutely. Heavy. And these look like something, you know, we're in a hurry, rushing to the next ball game or something like that. Yes. We can just pick up and go.
That's right. And you can even make the filling one day ahead of time. Okay. So say you're busy, I'll show you what you can do. So the first thing we are going to do is make our dressing. We are using a coleslaw mixture. I'll get to that. But the first thing we are going to take is a 1/4 cup of light mayo. And you want to make sure you grab that light mayo. It's going to save you some calories and some fat. Next, we are going to take 2 tablespoons of vinegar.
So that's going to be pretty flavorful.
Yes. And then a 1/4 cup of sugar. Now, that might seem like a lot, but it's going to be dispersed throughout the whole mixture. If you are concerned about your sugar, you could use Splenda or no sugar sweetener, or you could just leave it out. And then we are going to take some garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons. Then 1½ teaspoons of chili powder.
Oh, it's going to give it a little kick.
Yeah, a little kick. And then 1½ teaspoons of, so this is our garlic powder, and before I added the onion powder. Yes. So 1½ teaspoons of onion powder. Or I'm sorry, let me make sure. Yes, 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of onion powder.
And that's going to be great because it's not, we don't have to chop up all the onions and the garlic, but we're still going to get that nice flavor from the garlic and onion powder.
That's right, and you can see we've got a nice color right here for our dressing. And so I'm just going to set that aside. And if you wanted to add more garlic or a little more onion powder like I almost did, that's okay. All right, so we are going to start with 3 cups of a coleslaw mix. You can just grab this in your produce aisle. It's gonna make it really quick and it's not too expensive.
Yeah.
So now we are going to take 3 cups of chicken. I just grabbed some shredded rotisserie chicken. That's just what's convenient for me. It is going to save you a little bit of money if you prepare it at home. Sometimes convenience is key for me. Now, a 1/4 cup of crushed pineapple.
All right. So
that's going to make it really refreshing.
And did you drain that pineapple beforehand, Kristi?
I did drain the pineapple, and when you're choosing your pineapple or any kind of fruit in the store, you really want to make sure that it's in 100% juice.
Okay.
You also can have the option of getting it in the heavy syrup, but that's going to add a lot more sugar than what we really need.
Okay.
So now I'm taking 1 cup of fresh baby spinach.
That's going to add some greens and some nutrition.
Yes, that is definitely one reason why I love this recipe. It's incorporating a little bit of our dark green leafy vegetables, which some of our picky eaters might not like, but this kind of camouflages the taste a little bit.
Yeah. And you're going to add dressing, right?
Yes, that's right. Yes, we are. And so that is when we are going to add our dressing.
So talking about eating the rainbow, it's super colorful in your bowl right now.
That's right. And we, our guidelines that we follow are the MyPlate. So we want to make sure that we are getting enough from each food group every day. And so in this, we've got some dairy, we've got some protein, we've got veggies, we've got fruit, and now we are going to put it on a whole wheat tortilla.
So you just put it on a whole wheat tortilla and run. Now, Kristi, I know you guys have great recipes just like this one available at the office.
We do. That's right. So you can contact us us, and we will be more than happy to get it to you.
All right, so if you want a fresh, light, great meal that's healthy for you and your family, make sure to use this recipe or call Kristi and get some other ones that we have. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.